Yo, so I came out here to see Andrew. We're filming today. Look at this McLaren, dude. That's what we doing. Got the cameras ready. We're actually gonna start out at the shop and have the bay doors open and stuff. So that's gonna be sweet. And yeah, we're gonna start filming there. So that'll be cool. And we are back at the shop, boys. McLaren's pulling in. Ooh. His name's Robert. He's up from what's it called? Spanaway area. Exactly. Oh yeah. We looking good, boys. We looking good. Nice. So it's gonna be a shot of the garage opening up, then the car pulling out. So it's gonna be super sweet. He's got the running all set up over there. And I'm gonna be taking photos and rollers and stuff out the side of the window. So, but yeah, this is a pretty sweet spot for the beginning of the video here. The wing doors, the best part, man.
I lured it now.
All right, time to see Andrew do his magic. Look at this man, full concentration. Oh, and the push begins.
Shoots massive flames.
Really? Really? Heck yeah.
Massive flames. If it's there in 2 months.
Jesus, man. All right, so the plan is we're gonna close the garage door all the way, have Andrew right here get an angle, and he's gonna pull out and sweep that way out the complex here. That's gonna be sweet. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We doing it big today, boys. Yo, got the remote control. Check it. Oh, he turned it off. Whoops. I fucked it up. Alrighty, we're about to go shoot. Andrew's got his whole setup ready to go.
Down here.
Yep. Nice. Andrew's out here playing Forza. All right, we're taking a little break here. Andrew's swapping to the front here. It was on the rear just a second ago. We've got the McLaren parked up right there. And we got a semi truck coming in. We'll see what happens.
Right there.
Right there's good.
Yo, got the McLaren out there. Andrew on the controls, on the controller. Thomas on the steering. Yo, what was that, bro?
Nothing.
And Noah just chilling. He big chilling.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we're stopping by Costco real quick, get some gas for the McLaren, and then we'll be back on the road to get some nice flame shots out of the thing. It's gonna be sweet. I'm very excited for that. Alright, this guy's leaving. That means 3 spots are gonna be filled, and one of them is gonna be the McLaren. It's gonna be sweet. I'm excited. Yo, yo, yo. Yes, sir. Woo! Barely on this. That's crazy. He's got one more. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Very nice.
Too small?
All right, so Andrew's gonna go ahead and mic this thing up, put some tape on it, put the audio recorder there, and then we're just gonna get it up on the exhaust there so we can hear it. All right, Thomas is gonna be test up. Why don't you get up real close and personal? Let's see if we can get some flames out of this thing. Yeah, you can hear those turbos.
You can definitely hear them.
Start again.
Oh, okay. How'd it go again?
Oh.
I forgot.
Oh. Shit! Where's he going? Oh my god.
Don't move out of the way, no? Yeah. You got that?
All right, we're lifting the cappuccino. We're back from the shoot. It was nice. Was it fun? Oh, shit.
My foot.
How often do you deadlift? All right, I'll help. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
My hands.
That's how small this car is.
It's sharp. All right, one more time.
One more.
Ow. If I had gloves, I'd be able to get more.
There you go. Eric just came back
Hey,
from
that's
the gym.
like
He's
parallel park in a cappuccino.
swole as fuck right now.
You're parallel parking. You're like, hey, give me a hand.
I know.
Yeah.
Just back it in angled and then just slide it over. Well, that pretty much wraps up our day of filming. I'm back in the Evo and we are headed home. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.